and welcome to my channel. No, for real. Welcome to my channel. I'm NaturallyAJ, and I'm here to do a review on a product I've been wanting to try for actually a few years now. But every time I saw it in the store, I just could not get myself to purchase it because it was kind of pricey. But when I see the results of other YouTubers using this, the results come out really nice. But I broke down and I bought the Camille Rose Almond Jai Twisting Butter. Yes, twisting butter. I don't know why I say butter all the time in my videos, but it just comes out like that. But anyway, when I see other natural hair YouTubers use this, I just love the way their hair turns out. So I broke down, I purchased it. It was $16.99, and this is 8 fluid ounces. Okay, it's pretty big and it should last a long time, but hopefully it will work well on my hair because, you know, I like to find my staples, my favorites, and things that doesn't really cost all that much, but I'm going to give this a try. And to tell you and actually show you that I haven't used it yet, I just bought it. So you can see it hasn't been used yet. It smells kind of like, I don't know. It has a sweetness to it. Almond and honey. Actually, you can, okay, what it says on the front, it says sweet almond, milk, and honey, and it has a sweet smell to it. It smells pretty good. Hopefully it won't last on my hair because I don't like products that just stay on my hair and when people walk by they can smell. I don't like strong scents like that. But it says a supremely soft styling butter with an indulgent nutty aroma crafted to nourish and elongate tresses. And okay, so it has almond milk, almond oil, pumpkin seed, sesame seed oil, jojoba oil, all different types of oil, macadamia, different oils. I see castor seed in here. Yeah, but hopefully it's moisturizing because I've been having some issues with dry hair, and the wintertime it's cold and it just really, I don't know. I just need to find all the products that really moisturize the hair and soften the hair in the wintertime. I'm trying to adjust to these winter months. After living in the South for so many years, I didn't really have a dry issue with my hair, but I need to figure it out. I'm trying to figure it out, y'all. So this is why I go after things like this. Products like this. I don't use gels. I don't see any reason to use a gel in the wintertime, at least for my hair. This is just my hair I'm talking about. But for me, what I've noticed is that I use a lot of creams, butters, and oils. That's basically it. So I also have this, and I don't know if I should try that after I put in the butter, but to add more moisture and maybe have the moisture last for longer, maybe I will. I'll give it a try. It's my almond oil. I love the stuff. It works so well on my hair. But anyway, let's get started. As you can see, I parted my hair in three different sections. Whoa, the camera. 3 different sections, okay? And see, I already washed and conditioned my hair. Wash and deep condition my hair. Sometimes I mess up, but that's all right. Anyway, my hair is dry already, and I already have my leave-in conditioner in it. It is crazy. I have to figure this out. All right, let me get started. I'm gonna do 2 strand twists on my hair. And I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. I get so excited to try new products, and I hope this works. I really do. I really do. How are you guys doing on the growth challenge? I posted a video earlier about how I plan to grow my hair for 6 months from, I think it was November 1st to May 1st. How are you guys doing? I think my hair is growing pretty well. Pretty well. Okay. As you can see, I have a lot of shrinkage. A lot of shrinkage. But that's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. Anyway, let's get started. Okay. All right, what I'm going to do first, part this in threes, I think. Or maybe fours. Let me think about this. Let me think about this one. I normally do flat twist in the front of my hair. I don't know. Maybe I'll do, I'm going to do 4. Let me twist that up. I'm going to do 4 2-strand twist. You guys see that? Is that too small? Okay. All right. Okay, look at that. Look at that. I really need to get another pen. I'm trying to put that in there. Okay. Okay, it feels really good. It's not that thick, but it's a nice whipped feeling, as you can see. So. Water. I'm not using too much, you know, first time using products. Should I use the oil, guys? You know how when you first use a product, you don't want to use too much. You want to see how the product really works for your hair. A little bit. I figured a little bit won't hurt. See, I separated two. Just a simple 2-strand twist. And when you get down, you have about 1 inch left. You just twirl it like that. Twirl it. Don't go all the way down to the end. Okay. Drop my towel, but that's okay. Cause I'm gonna do my hair anyway. Okay, goofy. I'm just goofy. You know what? Let me spray water. Trying to get this moisture thing down. Isn't about that much. A little oil, just a little bit. Denman brush, brush it through. Okay, let me grab my towel. Okay, anyway, instead of you guys watching me doing these twists, and you've seen this with other people, other YouTubers, I'm just gonna pause the camera, go off, finish up my hair, and show you how many twists I'm gonna have. But anyway, I will see you in a minute, and yeah, see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I finished twisting my hair and I have a total of 14 twists. I have 4 on this side, 4 on this side, as you guys can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same exact way on this side. And I have 6 in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a total of 14. Okay, I think my twists look pretty good, pretty juicy. I hope the Camille rose works out. I am excited. So I will see you guys in a couple of days after my hair dries, and so you can see the final results. And if you like the results, maybe you can go out and purchase this product for you. All right, I will see you guys later. Mwah. Hello everyone, and I am back and I'm ready to take down these twists. I am so excited to see how they're going to look because I used the Camille Rose. And here we go. All right, so if you guys watch my channel, you know that I use almond oil to help take down my twists so that I won't have a lot of frizz and dryness. Oh, here it is, by the way. Alright, so let's take down these twists. Alright, let's go. Oh, I like that definition. Oh my goodness. Camille Rose. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it so far. I really like it. Alright, instead of me just hanging around, taking out my twist, I'm going to pause the camera and I'll come back with the final results. Okay? Alrighty. OMG, guys. Look, check it out. I found a new favorite. Look at my hair. It is so full. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love these results. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Camille Rose Almond Jai Twisting Butter. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, look at this. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but if you watch my older videos, my hair was thinner, but I did a video on iron supplements, and if you guys can just check that out, my hair is growing out thicker and it's growing. It looks fuller. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Okay, okay, okay. All right, Camille Rose, you did it. You did it. A new favorite. I love it. Yes, yes. Okay, I'm going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys like the results of Camille Rose. I know I do. Now, don't forget to subscribe. If you liked how my hair turned out and the material that I put out, subscribe. It's free. Just do it. Come on, you can do it. You can. I'm waiting. Okay. Okay, all right. Anyway, be a light, shed some light, and until next time, God bless. Don't forget to like. Oh yeah, did I say this? Subscribe too, yeah. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Mwah.